If you're deciding between Asana and Smartsuite, you've probably heard that both are great project management tools. But which one really stands out when it comes to efficiency? In this video, we'll dive deep into both options, point out their strengths and weaknesses, and help you figure out which one is best for your team. Let's kick off by looking at the key features. Asana has been around for a while and is known for its clean, intuitive interface. You can set up projects, tasks, and track progress with ease. The tool's visual approach allows teams to organize tasks in a list view or board view, which is nice for flexible work styles. However, the platform does have limitations in terms of customization and can feel restrictive when managing complex workflows. Next, we have Smartsuite. It's a relatively newer player, but offers something Asana doesn't: complete customization. With Smartsuite, you can create custom forms, views, and even workflows. It's built to scale for larger teams that need flexibility. But with this added power comes complexity. For someone used to the simplicity of Asana, the learning curve here is steeper. It's not necessarily a deal breaker, but it's something to consider depending on your team's technical skills. Next thing, pricing. Asana offers a free tier, which is great if you're just getting started or have a smaller team. But once you scale, the cost can quickly rise, especially if you need advanced features like reporting or timeline management. Smartsuite, on the other hand, offers competitive pricing with plans tailored to businesses of all sizes. But again, that extra flexibility can make it more expensive than Asana, so it really depends on what you value more: simplicity or customization. Now, let's talk integrations. Asana is known for its wide array of third-party integrations, making it easy to connect with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams. But Smartsuite is catching up, offering a strong integration ecosystem as well. It's just that Asana has a bit of a head start here. When it comes to collaboration, both Asana and Smartsuite offer real-time updates and task assignment features. However, Smartsuite's focus on customization might mean more overhead in setting up collaborative processes. Asana, with its streamlined interface, allows teams to jump in quickly without having to do much configuration, which can make it more efficient for smaller teams or projects with less complexity. The fourth thing, mobile experience. Both platforms offer mobile apps that let you stay on top of things while on the go. Asana's mobile app is solid and easy to use. Smartsuite's mobile app, while functional, is still catching up in terms of user experience. If mobile access is a major part of your daily routine, Asana might feel more natural here. Finally, let's get to the question of scalability. Asana is excellent for small to mid-sized teams, but once you hit enterprise-level needs, Smartsuite's customization options really shine. If your company needs custom workflows, automated processes, or specialized reporting, Smartsuite offers a lot more in this department. So, after trying both Asana and Smartsuite myself, here's the bottom line. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss solution and don't need much customization, Asana is an excellent choice. However, if you need a more powerful and flexible tool to handle complex workflows, Smartsuite might be a better fit. But what if you're still not sure? If you want a more efficient tool that offers the best of both worlds: customization, ease of use, and an affordable price, I highly recommend you check out the free trial linked in the description below. This isn't just any trial, it's the best free trial available, and it comes with exclusive benefits for viewers like you. So, if you want to make your team's workflow even more efficient, take advantage of that link and start your free trial today.